Hi everyone, it's been a while since my last post, about 2 months to be exact. I've been super busy lately, but I'm excited to share something new with you all day. This morning I woke up, made a cup of tea, and I decided to finally finish a drawing that had been sitting unfinished for way too long. It was annoying to leave it like that, so I powered through and got it done. And guess what? I have a new video for you. Surprisingly, I completed the drawing pretty quickly once I got it back to it. When I left it, it was in a rough state, but after putting in a day of work and another day of editing, it's ready to share. So, let's get into the video. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Bianca, and I love to draw. In this video, I'm sharing my latest piece featuring Kayle from League of Legends. I started this drawing when her new skin had just come out, and I was really inspired by the gorgeous color palette. The white hair with the blue dress is just stunning. I couldn't wait to bring it to life on my canvas. Alright, let's jump into the video and see how it all came together. This drawing of Kayle from League of Legends captured her ethereal and powerful essence beautifully. The process of bringing this artwork to life likely improved several key steps. Before starting, gathering reference for Kayle's appearance and the new skin would have been essential to capture her unique feature and armor details. A rough sketch to outline the pose, composition, and basic feature of Kayle. This stage focused on getting proportion and overall look right. So, the next step would involve referring the lines and adding more details to her armor, facial features, and the dynamic flow of her hair and wings. This involves laying down the base colors for Kayle, the palette including the white hair, blue dress, and the accent of gold and teal, which are carefully selected to match her in-game appearance, adding depth with shading and highlights to create sense of volume and light direction. The subtle shadows on her face and the highlights on her armor give the drawing a three-dimensional look. This stage focuses on adding intricate details and texture, such as the patterns on her dress, the shine on her metal accessories, and the softness of her hair. Adding the final touches to ensure everything looks cohesive and polished. The soft pastel color background complements Kayle's serene yet powerful demeanor and enhances the overall composition. Kayle is known in League of Legends for her dual nature as a both warrior and celestial being. This artwork captures her majesty and angelic aspect perfectly. Referring her lore and in-game persona, the combination of soft and bold elements in the drawing emphasize her divine yet formed-up presence. So yeah, Kayle is a commonly played top lane champion, and since I prefer to play ADC or mid lane, it's understandable that I haven't tried her yet. She is known for her late game scaling and strong transformations, which could be quite different from the fast play style of ADC or mid laner. Despite not having played Kayle, it's clear that her design and skins are super eye-catching. This particular skin looks fabulous in game, with his stunning color palette and interact details. It's great that you still appreciate the aesthetic and design elements. Even though she's not my favorite champion, maybe one day I'll give it a try, or at least I enjoy seeing Rift in her fabulous outfit. Yeah, anyway, now I want to answer the most asking question. There are some of you who keep asking me how I draw the skin. So hear me out, guys. So start with the flat basic color for the skin. In this case it's a light peach or pinkish tone. This will be the foundation of your skin shading. Select a soft brush, round brush with low opacity to gradually build up shadows. Avoid harsh lines to maintain a smooth transition between light and dark areas. Shadows are typically placed around the edges of the face, under the chin, below the eyes, and where the neck meets the collarbone. In this drawing, shadows are event around Kayle's nose, below her chin, and on the side of her face, creating a sense of depth and contour. For highlights, choose a soft brush with slightly smaller size compared to the shadows brush. Apply highlights on the forehead, bridge of the nose, cheekbones, and above the upper lip. The highlights in this image are particularly prominent on Kayle's cheeks and the center of her forehead, giving her skin a subtle glow. Mid-tones and blending. Use mid-tones to blend shadows and highlights smoothly. Mid-tones are colored that lie between your base skin color and the darker shadow tones. Blend the shadows into the base color and then blend the highlights into the base. This creates a gradual transition between the light and the dark areas. In her skin, you can see how the mid-tone helps in smoothly transitioning from the shadows to the highlights. For details, use a smaller brush to add fine details like subtle creases or minor shadows around the eyes and lips. Clean up and refine the edges where the skin meets other elements, like hair or armor. This helps to maintain clarity and sharpness in the artwork. So yeah, guys, what's funny? When I was drawing, I realized that Kai's armor is so shiny. It looked like she could start a light show just by standing still. This is funny because Kai's armor has such polished and reflecting surface that it seems like it could catch and reflect any light sources. Exaggerate the effect of humorous extent, imagining her as an united bacon or disco ball, highlighting the material gloss, details, and glossy finish of her armor in the drawing. So yeah, enough with joking. So I wanted to share some thoughts and updates with you today. First off, I had a fantastic time drawing her. It was such a rewarding experience. I really enjoyed the process and learning so much along the way. This particular piece challenged me in ways I hadn't expected, and it was great to push my boundaries and try new techniques. Now I want to talk a bit about the past couple of months. As many of you know, I took 2 months break, and during that time I had a lot of opportunities to reflect on my art and my creative journey. This break made me realize that we're quite a few things. I didn't know how to draw as well as I wanted to. It's amazing how stepping away from something can give you a fresh perspective. I found myself thinking about new appearance and ways to improve my skills. Sometimes taking a break can be incredible benefits for creativity and growth, even though it might feel counterintuitive at first. During this break, I also experiment with different styles and techniques that I haven't tried before. It was a period of exploration and learning, and it reminds me of the importance of continuous growth as an artist. Of course, I don't think I'll take a break quite this long again anytime soon, but it was definitely a valuable experience. I encourage everyone to take a little time for themselves now and then to step back and recharge. You never know what new insights you'll gain. One another exciting note, we are incredibly close to reach 1000 subscribers on this channel. This is such a huge milestone, and I am very grateful for each and every one of you who has supported me along the way. Whether you have been here to start or are you just joining us, your support means the world to me. It's amazing to see this community grow and to know that there are people out there who enjoy my art and find value in it. I couldn't have reached the point without your, and I want to extend an heartfelt thank you to all of you. As we approach this milestone, I have some exciting plans for the future of this channel. I want to continue to push myself and try new things, and I hope to bring you even more content that you will love. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome, so please feel free to share your thoughts on what you'd like to see next.